Hey guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the part 57 of that is one-liner questions which are very useful for all competitive examinations. Let us see exactly what it has been given in this slides. Initially we have the Indian state which produces maximum rubber. We knew that Kerala is very famous for spices, that is in Malabar coast, which are maximum produced, and the rubber. There are various trees of rubber. The maximum production takes place in Kerala. Sri Perumbudur, that is the birthplace of which one? Ramanujan birthplace is Sri Perumbudur. The movie Little Buddha is directed by, as you can see to the right side, how exactly the movie Little Buddha, which was directed by Bernardo Bortog. This is the person who had directed Little Buddha. Next we have Dr. Verghese Kurian. He is the one, he is concerning to the dairy farming. Amul we have in Gujarat. He was the father of White Revolution, that is Dr. Verghese Kurian. He is no more now. Mumps are caused by virus. We knew that whatever the disease, that is mumps, that are caused by virus. Kanjivaram, as you can see to the temple, that is also known as Kanchipuram, which is located in Tamil Nadu. The country recently expressed remorse over the actions it committed during World War II, that is Japan. Please remember that country recently expressed remorse over the actions it committed during World War II. Whatever the actions had committed, that has been remorsed. Here we have the Kukis, that is one type of tribe which is the native of Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Hitendra Desai was a noted figure in which of the following field? He was the famous social servant Hitendra Desai. Next we have the cash crops are groundnut, tobacco, jute and cotton. These are the cash crops, but the zoar is not the cash crop. The earthquake occur due to movement of plates of earth which floats on the hot volcanic mantle, that is below the earth's surface. This is what you have to remember. Whatever the earthquake that occur due to movement of plates of earth which float on the hot volcanic mantle, that is below the earth's surface. Whip, that means a situation where all the members of a political party for their unruly behavior until the end of the running session by the Lok Sabha speaker. That exactly the whip is. So in that case what happens is all the members of the political party for their unruly behavior until the end of the running session by the speaker, they will be calmed. So there is no question of raising questions. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. As you can see, there is a Telegram app. You can download that and in directly type Defense ICTA. You will get whatever the information you want. There are more than 1000 plus question papers have been given in my playlist. Please have a look. As you can see how exactly it has been segregated. You go and have a look. Next we have the Operation Blackboard that aims at providing primary education in an educationally backward area. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the Operation Blackboard which aims at providing primary education in an educationally backward area. The unit of electric current, that is ampere. Please remember whatever the electric current is measured in the amps. The Idukki hydroelectric project, as you can see to the right side how exactly the electric project looks like, that is located in which place? That is located in Kerala. The Biosphere Reserve project is aimed at what? That is protecting environment. That is a Biosphere Reserve project is aimed at protecting the environment. Next we have the greenhouse effect is due to the carbon dioxide. We knew that whatever the global warming and greenhouse effect is due to the increasing of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Aquaculture refers to the culture of fish This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the culture of fish, that is aquaculture, where the fish farming be done, which is also known as pisciculture and blue revolution. The name of human computer is called, we knew that Shakuntala Devi, as you can see to the right side, she was the one who is known as the human calculator, and she was the name of human computer. Recently the movie the Shakuntala Devi had been directed, and the actress is, that is Vidya Balan. The hormones are normally absent in bacteria. Please remember, whatever the hormones, they are absent in bacteria. Next we have the waterborne disease, that is cholera is one type of waterborne disease which is very dangerous. We have the bacteria, that is typhoid is also one, Salmonella typhi, which is the bacterium by which the disease occurs. Leukemia is a blood cancer, that is one type of disease, that is leukemia. The oxide of nitrogen is used as anesthetic, that is nitrous oxide. As you can see to the right side, how exactly anesthesia is given by the laughing gas, that is nitrous oxide is known as nitrous oxide as anesthetic, and it is a laughing gas. So that is one type of to make other people anesthetic. The injection of antitoxin is given to prevent tetanus. We knew that whatever the injection of antitoxin, that is given to prevent the tetanus injection. Urea is used as a fertilizer. We knew that whatever the urea which has been used, that is as a fertilizer. Next we have the stainless steel is an alloy of iron and chromium. This is what you have to remember, whatever the stainless steel which consists of iron as well as chromium, that is an alloy. The television jargon, what are the crayons are? We knew that this is crayon, which are color pencils which are used by the small children. They are used in television, that is crayons. The first foreign bank which came to India is, we knew that whatever the Standard Chartered Bank exists, that was the first foreign bank which came to India. The mineral that doesn't dissolve when green vegetables are cooked, that is iron. Please remember, though the green vegetable be dissolved, those are cooked, you don't find the iron will be the mineral that doesn't dissolve when green vegetables are cooked, that is iron. So that is always present in that vegetables. If you were called butterfingers by your friends, it would be because you kept dropping things. This is what exactly you have to remember. What exactly the meaning of butterfingers is, that is one type of idiom you have to remember. That means you are always there to drop few things. That is known as, he is known as butterfingers. He is used to always drop the things. The disease is the use of aspirin prohibited, that is viral fever. During the time of viral fever, you are advised to not to use aspirin. The one is a physical change, that is condensation of oil is the physical change. That is one type of physical change. Example, the burning of candle is a physical as well as chemical change. This is my mobile number, guys. You can always go through this, or you can call me or message me. 2100 PDF of GK and GS will be provided for you in a free of cost. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.